Hi there! Today we're going to learn about how to add a countdown timer to your Wix Studio website. So here I am in Wix Studio. I'm just using a template website. So first things first, you need to know where you want to add your countdown timer. So for example, I want to add it right here. I'll just add another section. After that, we'll add an element. And then we'll go to the app market right here on the sidebar. And then we can just search for countdown timer here on the search bar. Then once we press enter, we can see a variety of countdown timers right here, but for this video, we'll just choose on the urgency countdown timer. And then we'll add this to the website. And then there we have our countdown timer. You can drag and drop this anywhere onto your website. You can adjust its size if you want. We'll just use stretch. Then to customize your countdown timer further, you can just click on settings. And then a dashboard will pop up. After that, we can now customize our countdown timer. So for the type, we'll choose this first. And then you can choose if you want the countdown to be a time or to be a date. So for this video, we'll just use date. You can also do the other options as well. But for those that have a star icon, you need to have a paid plan for it to use it. But for this video, we'll just stick with the free features. So for example, for countdown to date, we can change it into date that we want. And then we'll change it right there. And then it also reflected into your countdown timer. And then for the title, we can change it as well. And then it also reflected onto our countdown timer. You can also change the title and subtitle alignment. You can change the counter labels if you want. If you want to turn off the seconds, you can do so as well. If you want to change the separator style, you can choose a period, a dash, or nothing. We'll just use the colon. And then for the labels, if you want to change them as well, but to avoid confusion, let's just stick with the default labels for days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Then once we're done, we can click on done. And then for the template, you can change the look of our countdown timer if you want. We'll choose this one. And then for design, you can change the look of it. You can add a square, you can add a cycle, you can make it as a joined square or a separate square. We'll choose joined. Then for an animation, you can choose other animations as well, but all the others have paid features. We'll just stick with the zoom in animation. Then for the font style, you can change it as well if you want to. You can change the colors as well. And then you can change the font style of the other labels if you want. Then once we're done, you just click on done. And then if you want to experiment with the other features, you can do so as well. And then once you're done, you can just click on done, and then there we have our countdown timer. I hope you learned how to add your own countdown timer into your Wix Studio website, and thank you for watching this video.